Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to import medias into Adobe After Effects. As you all know, this software is used to animate any objects, text, etc. Okay, let's open After Effects first. After opening it, a window will appear like this. We can create a new compositions or we can open a previous project from here. Okay, new composition and open project, or else composition, new composition. Okay, a small window will appear like this. We can set the composition name here. Okay, I type something. And we can set some basic and advanced settings here. Change it according to your needs. I'm just gonna click OK. So a new composition is created. To import medias into it, just go to this project area section, right click here and import file. And you can choose any type of files you want. So okay, so that's it. You can now edit. Hope this tutorial helps you. For more tutorials like this, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.